Ok. Mwen gen pou mwen ale Orlando pita. So, jano amnan la mbal fe zon. Mbal fe zon mwen, se kon sa map stil, I think. Mba repone. Ben se kon sa map stil rete pou mwen ale Orlando. Mbap chanje. On ti vant sa telman bagay. Mba pase map chanje. So, map pase map rete. Map ti rete kon sa. Mbal fe zon mwen. Ouf.
Salut, bonjour, bonsoir, toute belle bébé mieux. It's your girl Blanda, you already know. Jeudi à nous tourner back avec une nouvelle vidéo pour nous. Vidéo jeudi c'est que m'a montré nous comment nous t'es allé prendre une belle petit vibe dans Orlando Universal Studio. Oh guys, juste ça a été très très fun. Nous voyons comment tout bagay était passé ou même qui peut abonner à la chaîne n'a pas de toujours fait ça kounya ou pas regret. Ou ap jouer dans pile fun, ou ap jouer dans pile lobby. Ou pas regret. So, vos amis, vos femmes abonner à la chaîne là, fait chaîne là grandi timon, ok? So, rete suivre, rete brancher ça, nous just pull up dans l'hôtel là, pop. Nous pull up dans l'hôtel là. So, c'est un bel hôtel, très bel hôtel. Nous te gen en pile fun. En pile fun, nous bois, nous fêter anniversaire nièce moi. It was un pile lobby. Red branché kebido elman kerete nan pak la. Ça trop funny. Mais juste un méchant. Juste un monte ba la déjà, le connaît comment ba la file. Li di bido el, oh, et pas rien. Et pas rien, finalement, tel ou après men, ou après enjoy, ou pas, et pas rien. Rete suivre, Timon. What? Hi, Papa. You can't walk, buddy. Huh?
I don't see what the lights on. That's a big ass room. Why don't we have a nice view? Ah bah non, le temps
Nous pas mettre dans les cartes là.
Oui. Oh, that's a nice meal, right? This one will say banyo. Ooh. This is a banyo, you guys. Hello, stranger. Hi, handsome.
No, it's
Nah, ça s'améliore.
Ma presse guys, m ben acheve m pou m installe, m la installe. So m va nan ti breakfast. Non reta pou pak la weske. Bat dormi ti man. Ma vlog pou nou tale. Mwen men! Ou va kon son YouTube anye?
Oui.
Dat m bave video lontan. E sa fa oubliye si son YouTube anye. Ma filme tale. Ma presse.
Akin konen ka diferans. Kwa di YouTube am sa diferans ave oube, sa te bise.
Bonjour, good morning. Kote leve le ya? Julson say hi.
Hi.
Oh, camera nice. Nou wal nan breakfast. E mi pou nan lan pak la. Nou dejan weta. So, enjoy our views. This is do not enter. Hello, Logan. Logan. Hello. Hi, Papi.
And we ate
that you give it to me and just me only. Yeah. Girl, you
They not ready for that. They just get themselves done. They ain't ready for teams. But maybe like the All-Star game or they, all right, Linda. She got this tone.
Turn around. Let me see your face. Word up. Let me see your face. Hi, Papa. Going for a ride. Let's see if I can handle it. Oh, that sun hit right. I look so good. This is hubby. Woo! Woo!
Because 28.
Hi, sir. Nous allons dans l'autre parc. Là, ça monte right, ça. That was fun.
We go straight. Like we're going in the entrance.
Hi,
We're
buddy.
gonna go back to the entrance and go to the other side.
Oh, letter. Oh my,
Sorry. Hi. You're like a teenager. Running your tag. The adventure began. Yes. Oh, Zeus. Yeah. I'm thirsty. Mia, no. Here's the ride. Here's the ride, buddy. Yes, we're going. All aboard.
On the long way through town and all the way back, I look round and round and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a carousel cell that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the truffula trees, the bright colored tops of the truffula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. That red and white hat, I'm sure it belongs to that black and white cat. And look out below! It's that new McGrew Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth! It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass two unbudging zaps. Oh, there's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly. Say, that makes a story that no one can beat when we say that we saw it on Mulberry Street. But it still could be better. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wanted one and calls out, "Yeah, come into the house, Dave," she doesn't get one. All 23 days of hers come on the run. Farewell to the Smooches at the end of our fun. No time for more, we're almost done. We swing around the corner and dash through the gate. We ride to our stop, and we feel simply great. For we had a story that no one can beat. And to think that we saw it on Mulberry Street.
Come on, let's pay. Cotton candy it is. Come on. You want this? Okay, let's take it. Come on. Let's pay. Leave this. Let's go. Let's pay. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's nice. You like the water? What's the time? Is it accurate? Jesus Christ. Come on, let's go. You want to go? You're going. I'm going to go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. All right. Logan.
Someone pick.
Logan. Birthday to you.
Welcome back, my fishing friends. Please remain seated until your swimming ends. Now unbuckle your belt and exit your seat. Don't run, skip, hop, or jump. Just walk on your feet.